I remember when I study prepositions,
Mm-hmm.
there are a big difference between get by in and get by on. Is in some cases there is a difference about the meaning when use one preposition, whereas if you are using the other one.
Yeah.
And that's a big difference between English and Spain. So in Spain we always use en, the in. So your in is our en. But you, for example, is not the same meaning if you hit a ball at a person or you hit a ball on the person. It at and on, for example, or if you shoot at me or you shoot to me, it's different. The context. It's difficult, but I was studying, and I remember in the case of get by on and get by in. Anyway, when I use that expression, my tendency is to use in because this is more similar to Spanish translation.
Yeah. So a lot of the time,
Yeah.
we will just finish a sentence with get by there.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing to remember as well. But yeah, we say normally you can say I get by on, and then talk about how much money you live with.
But if you want to say I can get by on this salary, it's not the same if you use get by on that if you use in.
No, it's not the same.